This is another simple way to use saltwater bath to free yourself from bondage and unnecessary hatred. If you are facing spiritual bondage, people are not favoring you, or people are just hating you unnecessarily, then why not use this simple saltwater bath to free yourself from unnecessary hatred and attract favor from every quarter, especially from the opposite sex. You are welcome back to our channel, Smart Idea TV, where we discuss money, simple life hack, spirituality. We give spiritual tips, and we look at simple ways to help ourselves. And today, in this video, I'm going to be showing you another spiritual benefit of salt water bath to free yourself from unnecessary hatred. If people are just hating you for no cause, they hate you for no reason, and anywhere you go to, you are not being favored. You are always quarreling with your spouse. Your husband hates you, fight with you every time, or you are not getting headway in your relationship. Things are not working for you in your working place. You are not getting the sales in your store. This might be due to spiritual blockage, or what we call bondage. And using this simple spiritual salt water bath that I'm going to be discussing with you will make you to enjoy your life and attract a lot of favor. People want to be with you. People will like you. If you are a contractor, then anywhere you get to, they want to give the job to you. If you are going for a job interview, then you can be using this. If you are a student, you want to be liked by your mates and people around, then you can also use this. If you are an housewife, you want your husband to love you more, then you can do this. If you are a single lady looking for the perfect partner, then you can do this. People will like you. People want to be with you. Or if you dream and you forget your dreams, or you read and you don't you forget when you get to exam or what you read, then this simple recipe is for you. And we are going to be needing salt, the normal table salt, or what you call cooking salt. You can also use the sea salt, but simple salt or the cooking salt we do. So I'm going to be discussing 3 ways to do this. 3 ways. And at the end of the day, I want you to tell me in the comment, out of these 3 ways to use salt, which one is your favorite, or which one are you going to do? Let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comment. And I would definitely love to see your comment and reply as at when you can go ahead also to ask me questions, spiritual questions on this video or other videos in our channel that you have watched. Now let's get back to it. The first way you are going to be using saltwater bath is on Sunday night. You are going to be getting a bucket full of water, and you take 1 handful of salt, table salt. Just pour it into the water. Pour it into the water. Then you leave the water aside in your room. You are not going to be using it that night, that Sunday night. You are not going to be using it that Sunday night. You leave it, you let it stay till daybreak. You can keep it in your room. You can keep it anywhere safe. You can keep it if you have a balcony where people don't normally go there, or it is safe there, you can keep it there. You can keep it outside your house if you know it's going to be safe. You can just put it there so that the morning dew can fall on it. Then on Monday morning, you take the water, then you pray into it. Anyhow you understand how to pray. If you are a Muslim, you can say your Muslim prayers into it. Then if you are a Christian, you can say Psalms, you can read any Psalms into it. Psalms of abundance, Psalms of attraction, you can read into it. But if you don't know how, if you are not a Muslim, not a Christian, then just pray. Just pray into it. Just pray into it. Once you pray into it, then you go ahead to take your bath with this water. You go ahead to take your bath with this water. You can use any soap of your choice. If you have any spiritual soap, you can use. If it is ordinary soap, you can use. You can use your sponge. You might not use your sponge, depending on what you want. But make sure you use this to take your bath Monday morning. And you are going to be doing this for like 3 Mondays consecutively. 3 Mondays consecutively. If you can do it every day for a week, then okay. But Mondays, 3 Mondays consecutively is the ideal time to do it, is the ideal period to do it. And you come and tell me the result, because I know it works. I don't need to talk so much on this. Actually, I've done so many videos on spiritual salt bath, which you can get here. Number 2, the second way to use salt to clear hatred from you and to clear spiritual bondage, especially when you dream and you cannot remember your dream, is you get red palm oil. Red palm oil. This is no brainer to Africans, except those who are in the diaspora. Just get red palm oil. Red palm oil. Get a bowl, a plain bowl, white bowl, glass bowl. Don't use plastic. Get a bowl or a metal bowl. Just pour the small bottle, like a bottle of the red palm oil. Just pour it. Then get salt, like a spoon, tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of salt, full tablespoon of salt. Pour it into the oil. Pour it into the red oil. Mix it together. Then pray very well into it. Pray very well into it. Pray very well into it. Then you get your water, your bathing water. Add salt into it. Add 1 handful of salt into your bathing water, a bucket full of bathing water. Then you pray into the mixture of oil and the salt. You pray into it. Just pray into it. Mix it very well with your middle finger. Mix it and pray into it. After praying into it, then you go ahead to use it. You are not pouring it into the water. You now use it to rub your head, up entire body from head to your feet, every part of your body. That means you must have been ready to go and take your bath. Then you go to the bedroom. Make sure you use a soap. Make sure you use any soap. Any soap will do. Use any soap and sponge to now bathe everything that you have. All the soap that you put on your body, you bathe it away. Once you bathe it, make sure you bathe it away. While bathing, be offering your prayer that hatred should get away from you. That anytime you dream and forget, you don't want it again. You want to be dreaming and remembering. You want to read for exams and remember what. You want retentive memory. You want attraction. You want favor. You see all this and you go ahead to take your bath. That's the second one. That's the second one. And it works. It's all these things I'm telling you. You know, these are the secrets of our forefathers. They gave these things to us. It is there, except we are not using them. It is there. Just use it. and you are not paying anybody for this. This is very simple. Then the third way to do it is get palm oil. Like I said, red palm oil, the one you use in cooking our food, our soup and stews in Africa. Get red palm oil. Then just make sure you look for something, a bowl that you can cover, a bowl that has cover. Pour everything inside the palm oil, pour the palm oil into it. Then put salt, not so much salt, just small salt, like teaspoonful. Just pour it into it. Then use your middle finger to mix it very well. Then mix it very well. And whenever you want to go out, you start doing this. Start using this from one day. Use it straight away for 7 days. Use it for 7 days. Whenever you are going out to your place of work, you are going to school, you are going to your store, you are going for contract, you are going for job interview, or you are going for job hunting, just make sure you lick this. Just take this and lick. Every member of your family can do it, can use it. Just keep it somewhere that everybody can see it. When they are ready to go, just spray into it and lick it. Once you lick it, start praying. It's not poisonous. It is edible. Red oil is edible. Just salt is also edible. Just put it and lick it. Just use your middle finger to scoop some and put it in your mouth and lick it. Once you lick it, make sure you lick very well. And the remaining, just rub it together. Rub your hand together and go out. Whenever you get to, people will desire you. People want to favor you. People will start, just do it for 7 days. People will start, you start attracting positivity. Good things will start following you. People want to be with you. If you are a lady, don't joke with this, especially those who are searching. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. But anybody can use it. Anybody can use it. Remember, if you have so large in your heart, all of you can use it. But make sure you use it when you are going out. Don't use it at night. If you are going out for work, is when you use it. Okay, for those who work at night, you can use it. But make sure you use it when you are going out. Even if you are not going out in the morning, make sure you do this. But don't break it. Do it for 7 days straight. And you are going to come and give me the result. Before I go, don't forget, go to the comment. Let me know which of these three short recipe that you prefer. The one you prefer, go to the comment and tell me. And if you have any questions, still go to the question and tell me. Make sure you like this video, like it, leave your comment, and also subscribe for those who have not done so. If you like this one, I have done spiritual salt bath, how to use salt for spiritual cleansing, and that video is up here. I want you to go and watch that one next. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.